Hey guys, what is up? Brennan here, aka Brenbo, bringing you back another video. It's been like a month or so, I don't know. I've been saving up, trying to get modifications for the Cobra, and right now, it's an installation video, like you guys want. So, today we're doing a full LED conversion kit by SW Lights. And I'm even repping the banner on the windshield of the Cobra, so why not? Look at that, banner on a Cobra. It doesn't look too bad actually. So if you guys don't know about SW Lights, they're basically a huge lighting company that kind of specializes in Mustangs. They make demon eye headlights, they retrofit headlights, they do a lot of lighting things. And especially with the Cobra, they have special things with the fog lights. They can make them change colors for blinkers and everything like that. But they basically specialize in Mustangs. They do make other lights for other vehicles. But if you're a Mustang guy, you gotta know about SW Lights because they make amazing products for a Mustang. And as you guys know, 2003 Cobra, it's gonna be a little outdated, especially in the lighting department or electronic department. So as you guys know, when cars get newer, that's what they really advance with. So this car obviously does not have LED lights. So that's why today we're gonna do a full LED conversion. And what I mean by full is reverse lights, dome lights, and license plate lights. Three things that are really noticeable, which you really wouldn't think to be. I know in my Audi, I didn't have LED license plate bulbs, and everyone yelled at me because I had the upgraded tail lights, and I had still the yellow bulbs for the license plate. Everyone's like, oh, it looks so bad. But today, we're gonna make the Cobra look good, and we're not making the mistakes we made on the Audi. And SW Lights was kind enough to give you guys a discount code, so if you have a Mustang or vehicle they offer, you can save 10% with the code Brenbo10. So use that code and you guys can save 10% on your whole purchase so you guys can make your car look awesome. So really quickly, I'm gonna show you guys what the lights look like on the car right now, the yellow ugly bulbs, and then we can do installations of the new ones. So I'm first gonna start out with the dome lights. These are pretty important at night just to see things. And when you get in your car, you know, it lights up. It's a pretty important bulb. So right there, the ugly yellow light that lights up your cabin. So obviously the LED light's gonna light up your cabin better, act more natural, and therefore offer you a better experience while you're in your cabin. Next up, reverse and license plate bulbs. It's only me, so I'm gonna set the camera on a tripod and show you guys. And with these new license plate bulbs, they'll be able to see my awesome new license plate. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen it first. Follow me right here, Brenbo_, and you guys can see all things before they come out on YouTube. But anyway, just got my new license plate. It doesn't apply to the car yet, but it will soon. So high PSI, as you guys know, superchargers produce PSI, so soon people will know I have high PSI and don't mess with me. I was actually really surprised that wasn't taken, considering that it's fully spelled out and not abbreviated in any way. I was gonna do HI PSI, you know, high PSI, but I wanted to try this first, and surprisingly it wasn't taken, so why not pick that? Let me show you guys the lights really quick. So time for installation. So since this is a really early Ford, it's super easy to do anything on this car compared to the Audi especially. So all you're really gonna need is like a screwdriver, and that's it. Phillips, and yeah, that's about it. One thing I do like about this car a lot is just how simple it is. You guys will soon see when I do suspension and other things like that, how easy it really is. That's what you get when you have older cars, so yep. And you might be saying, oh, the Audi was a 2003, but yeah, they're still way more advanced for their time, and yeah. So I'm gonna start with the license plate bulbs first. You're just getting a Phillips screwdriver like I said, and I'll show you from there. So first, you're gonna wanna go into your passenger door, obviously, to your glove box, where the truck button is so kindly, yellow button. And for some reason, one of my lights are really dimly on, okay. You guys will see 2 Phillips on each bulb, and that's what's holding it in basically. So unscrew those 4 bolts, and you can slide the new bulb right in. Once you pry it out, it's just gonna be, you know, the little holder with the connection at the end. You're gonna twist it counterclockwise. It's gonna pop out. Gonna put the new bulb in, reinsert it, and put the screws in. It's that easy. Since I'm in the rear of the car already, I'll be doing the reverse light bulbs. These are obviously quite bigger, and these are just as easy. So first, obviously, you're gonna look at the light. It's the one to the very left. So when you look at the taillight from the back, it's obviously gonna be the one closest to you, common sense. So first for the taillight, you're gonna wanna remove the small black clip that's right here. It holds in the carpet on each side. Once you do that, pull the carpet back, and you got a couple of nuts to take off that holds in the taillight. Once you get that out, pull the taillight out, and the bulb should be right there. But once you do that, pose right off. And this is the back of it, and as you can see, right there is our reverse bulb. So you're just gonna turn that counterclockwise and pop the new bulb in and screw this taillight back in. New bulb compared to old bulb, quite the difference. So next with these dome lights, this is for sure the easiest of the three. All you do is take a screwdriver, wedge it between the switch and basically the little plastic cover that covers the bulbs doesn't get wet or damaged. So you can basically pry anywhere on the edge. It's kind of a loose fitting, so all the edge has a little bit of a gap. So take a screwdriver wherever you have and just pry it in between and it'll just pop right out. This is what it looks like without the cover on. You just have this little light right there. We're gonna be putting this fancy LED light in there instead. Gonna produce a way brighter cabin. So once you get it out, this is what it's gonna look like. You're gonna remove these shields, replace the two, and then screw it back in and you're good to go. So there it is, LED dome light. You might not be able to tell that's LED that well on the camera, but let me assure you it is very bright. A lot more than the stock one. So here we have the stock bulbs, reverse lights, license plate light, and dome light. So that is the installation of the three types of lights. Like I showed you guys, super easy. And revised, you guys will need a screwdriver and a ratchet. Super easy. Anyone could do it. And once again, check out SW Lights. I will link every light that I used in this video in the description. Also a link to their website in general. They also have an Instagram, which I'll be putting down below also. So like I said, put Brenbo 10 to save you guys 10% on SW Light products to make your Mustang look more modern and just be more cool. And it'll be another mod to add to your guys' list. So now I'm gonna show you guys the reverse lights and the license plate lights since I already showed you the dome lights. So hopefully you can see those two lights better than the dome lights because the dome light didn't really seem that much brighter on camera, but hopefully these two also do. So as you guys can see, a noticeable difference, at least in person. I had my brother turn on the lights and in person, it is a huge difference. So there's really no reason to not do this. It's very inexpensive, especially with my 10% coupon code, to do something like this and it'll make a noticeable difference because people with the stock lights will know what's up, they'll know. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video and coming along with me for this installation on the Cobra. Do not worry, there is about 5 mods on the way and they're all huge modifications to the car. So be prepared for that. This car is about to be a monster and actually live up to the license plate it has on it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching so much. Check out the description for SW Lights and the products I used. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.